everybody, this is Bunky from Bunky's Workshop, and today I have a Hoover Port-A-Power. This machine gets used all the time in my business. It is constantly used and it never gives me any problems. I've had it brand new for years, and all I've had to do with it really is, take this off because it had a little hole in the hose and fix that. But that's been it. But it stopped working on me, and I kind of think it's either because back here on the cord it looks like it's come out, so either I pulled the cord out or it might be the switch. I'm not sure, but I want to open it up and see what we got in there. But basically we have a dusting brush, an upholstery tool with little rubber nubbies, and we have a floor brush, and of course we have the hose. Now, this is a new hose. The original was black, but when I ordered it, it came in gray. And of course we have the cord holder, and we also have this cover. You can get these online, and it holds everything. And here is the crevice tool. Let's see if we can get some of this done. I haven't had one of these apart in a long time. If I remember correctly, it's not that big of a deal. But I do kind of remember putting it back together, getting everything lined up perfectly. Wasn't that fun? All right, get your toys and go. Go on. Guess I better take out the bag. I don't use the reusable bags. I use the washable bag. Poor thing needs a good cleaning. Yeah, I see exactly what happened. The wire came off for the switch. We can fix that, can't we? Yep. That's all, no big deal. That's fixable. Say, that's fixable. I'm surprised. I usually have a wire nut on it, and there isn't one. Isn't that weird? Well, that's okay. Not a big deal. We will just tape it right back up. Like it was before. Except this time, I think I'm going to put some tape on the stopper and so it won't pull out like it was doing before. Okay, now I'm tearing it all apart. Guess if I'm going to do this, let me put that underneath. Why don't I just transfer this to the side and go from there? Why am I trying to make things difficult? Explain that to me. Okay. Not bad at all. Now let's see if we can get this poor baby back together. I didn't even put it back in the slot correctly. There we go. Okay. I'll be darned. Nice and easy. Cool beans, cool. And thinking about it, I guess I should have cleaned the motor and all that, but that's going to be right before I go on vacation, is when I tear this all apart, vacuum it, clean it, take care of the motor, all that kind of stuff. This I'm just doing quickly so I can get it up and running so I can use it. Tomorrow's a big day, and I need this. I have another one, but it's an old one, and just not as good. Okay. Remember, this is plastic. Do not over tighten these. There we go. Should have replaced. Should have replaced that. Well, like I said, I just need this to work for tomorrow. And right before vacation, I will be tearing this all apart again. All right. All right, so ta-da! Okay, there you go. I hope you enjoyed. This was a quickie, but I thought I'd bring you along and have some fun. All right, talk to you soon.